adventure and imagination, the Pocket Planet Parade. Deep in the vast cosmos, nestled within the Milky Way, resided a village of planets. These celestial neighbors had lived together peacefully for eons, but never had they celebrated their unity like they would today at the Pocket Planet Parade. Planet Zibby, the smallest of all, was excitedly preparing for the parade. Zibby had always been overshadowed by its larger neighbors, but today would be different. With a dazzling costume made from precious gemstones, Zibby felt ready to shine. Meanwhile, young Planet Wiz was feeling nervous about the parade. Wiz, though larger than Zibby, had never felt like it belonged in this grand cosmic community. An older, wiser planet named Orb decided to offer some words of encouragement. As the sun rose and the stars faded, the planets gathered on a spacious field to take their places in the parade lineup. Planets of all shapes, sizes, and colors stood side by side, united in their love for this cosmic event. The moment finally arrived as the parade commenced, and Zibby's float glided gracefully through the air. The crowd roared in amazement at the brilliant display of color and creativity. Back on the ground, young Planet Wiz walked alongside its fellow planets, feeling a newfound sense of belonging. Orb's words seemed to resonate within Wiz, giving it the courage to revel in the joyous occasion. Meanwhile, in a corner of the cosmos, an enigmatic planet stood silently, observing the festivities. This planet had never joined the parade before, and felt out of place among its neighbors. But something about today's celebration sparked an interest within it. As the final floats passed through the air, Zibby's brilliance lit up the night sky. The parade came to a close, and the planets returned to their homes, filled with newfound friendships and memories of this extraordinary event. That night, the enigmatic planet made its way towards Planet Orb, driven by a desire to learn more about the parade and its purpose. Orb welcomed the mysterious visitor with open arms, sharing stories of unity and friendship that resonated deeply within it. In the years that followed, the enigmatic planet began to participate in the Pocket Planet Parade alongside its neighbors. It had found a sense of belonging within this cosmic community, and the parade had become a cherished tradition for all. Now, as the Pocket Planet Parade takes place year after year, the once divided celestial neighbors now stand united. A testament to the power of friendship and imagination, they continue to inspire one another, growing stronger together in the vast cosmos. In the end, the Pocket Planet Parade became more than just an annual celebration. It became a symbol of unity, a reminder that even the smallest among us can shine brightly when surrounded by love and friendship. This tale serves as a beacon of hope for all who witness it, inspiring them to embrace their own unique qualities and find belonging in this world.